I am so excited to go into American Eagle. Believe it or not, I have never been into one of their stores. So let's go inside. We'll look at it together. If you haven't been in there, we'll shop together and see what they've got. Now I am going to focus on the women's clothing, but I'm really excited to see what's in here. Now here we have this Henley shirt. It's really nice quality. I'll see if I can find it so I can tell you the price, but they do have it paired with this skirt. Now here they have some jogger type pants. They do have the stripes along the side similar to Adidas, but these are going for $49.95. Now here they have this crew neck sweatshirt. It says Paris on it, and the tag says this feels like seriously lived in, and I can say it felt really soft. So this sweatshirt is going for $49.95. Let me know if you're an American Eagle shopper or if you've actually been in and just really enjoy the quality. But look at this sweatshirt. It is a really nice quality. And let's look at the inside just so that you can see what it looks like. And there it is a little closer. Again, very soft. Now here they have this baseball cap. It says LA on it. And this one is going for $19.95. Next is this trench coat. It is lined heavy and it's absolutely stunning. It's $129.95. But again, the quality so far has been amazing. Let me show you this next sweater. It is a mock turtleneck. It's a quarter zip. It is $59.95. It's got great weight to it. It's a beautiful knit. This particular sweater had a little snag on it, so just kind of watch for that when you're out there shopping. I found the skirt that was on the mannequin from when I first walked in. Now I am 5'1", and as you can tell, it definitely goes down past my ankles. So this is a pretty long skirt. Now it is going for $49.95, and as you can see, they also have it in black. Okay, I saw that American Eagle has their own jeans. At the time that I was recording it, they were having buy one, get one 50% off. I did go online just to double check, and they have 25 to 40% off. So go online or check your store to see what kind of deals you can find. Now, I did see some really cute t-shirts. Like this one was going for $24.95, and it said London on it. The fabric was really soft. I quickly want to show you these two sweatshirts. They're a little elevated with the gold buttons on the shoulder. They're going for $49.95. And if you saw my last video from Windsor, you will see that those gold buttons on the shoulders are definitely in. So here I saw some loafers with this patent leather look on it with these gold hardware on it. I thought they were super cute. And these were going for $39.95. Okay, so here we have another style of loafer. I'll bring it up a little closer. It has a beautiful heel on it with the slingback tie, this again gold hardware, and these are going for $34.95. And if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, but just know that I pretty much can't go anywhere without finding boots. So this is no exception, and these boots are actually going for $59.95. Next, we have a couple of cardigans. They come in two colors, the gray and the blue. Now, these are going for $49.95. As you can tell, they're the button up, and they're actually really soft and they're very casual, kind of a loose fit to it. That is one thing I have noticed so far about American Eagle. They definitely have casual, very carefree, and definitely comfortable clothing. So again, these are going for $49.95. And right next to it, let's look at this other sweater. It is a crew neck sweater, again, soft. This one is also going for $49.95. As you can tell, it is striped. And again, it's that really soft, comfortable feel. Now, I did find this next sweater design in multiple colors. As you can see here on the table, this sweater is going for $59.95. And I did lay it out on the table so that you can get a better look at it. As you can tell, it is a V-neck. And I'll bring this up a little better so that you can see the knit design. I did run into this mannequin with some distressed jeans and this Paris t-shirt, which I tend to see a lot of with Paris or London, New York, and this particular t-shirt is going for $24.95. I did find a dressier shirt, as you can see here. This one is going for $44.95, and this one is sheer, but it is also lined. And if you like long t-shirts, here we have a couple of them for $29.95. They come in the two colors, the blue with the white and the white with the blue, and these are going for $29.95. I don't know if you noticed, but it is a ribbed fabric. We'll show you a few more sweaters. Definitely go online. I was checking them out. They do have an additional 25% off with their own online code. So these are regularly $49.95. Pull this one out so that you can get a better look at it. As you can tell, it does have a heart and it has that leopard print on it. And if you don't want the pink or the red for Valentine's Day, this would be super cute to wear. And this, like I mentioned, was $49.95. And as I mentioned, the jeans were on sale at the time of the recording, but here is the mannequin wearing that sweater, just so you have an idea as to what it looks like. But again, they do have a lot to choose from. And I did find the blouse that I showed you earlier hanging up, and they have the exact same blouse but with a different fabric design. Now these again are going for $44.95. And look at these sweaters. I love that they're long. They look so cozy and comfortable. And again, they have them in multiple colors. The same design, but here they are. And here's one with multi-colors. It just was really fun to see all these different color availabilities, and these are all going for $59.95. Quite honestly, I can't say that I had a favorite color. They were all so nice and so soft. And here are some of the other colors hanging up. Here we have this beautiful Chanel inspired type purse with the quilted design. Now this one is going for $39.95, and as you can tell, it does have the gold chain with the leather going through it. Now here we have some UGG inspired slippers. They're actually called the Hangout Slipper, and they have a shearling lining. Now these are going for $44.95, and I did check online. They are on sale for $33.71. So just because I show you the tag pricing does not necessarily mean that's what the actual price is. So definitely go into the store or check online to see what kind of discounts you can find. And as you can tell, they do come in a few colors. Now let's look at some of their hair accessories, like these scrunchies. They also have hair bows. They also had quite a few beanies. Now some had the little puffs on top and then some didn't. But as you can tell, these seem to be pretty good sellers. Take a look at this really cute purse. It's in the shape of a heart. It's $39.95, and I love this little buckle detail on the strap. Now, one of my favorite finds is this sweatshirt. It's a cherry coke, and I just love the color combination on it. I just looked really nice, and it's paired with the purse, so it looks really cute. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can find it. Oh, here it is. It does have the little bubbles in the shape of heart, so it kind of does have that Valentine's Day theme, and this sweatshirt is going for $59.95. Now, I did find that same heart-shaped purse, but in black. So again, here is that sweatshirt, super cute. I think it will pair great with either one of those purses, and it is $59.95. I did find another sweatshirt along with the Valentine's Day theme. This one is Snoopy, and it says more love on it, and this one is also going for $59.95. I did find an UGG inspired boot, and it is this one here. It's also called the Hangout Bootie. Now this one is going for $54.95. I checked online. The code that I keep talking about is extra 25 BFF. Since I don't know when you'll be watching, definitely make sure that you double check that code. But as you can see here, they are stocking a lot, so I wasn't able to kind of look through that. In this corner, they had clearance priced down to 70% off. Really surprised to see fragrances. So they have their own line, and they actually smell light, they're airy, they're fresh, and I really like them. So I'll just quickly glance through and show you what they've got. They've got one called 77. And here they have a fragrance called In Bloom, which again, I thought was very fresh, very pretty. And if you have any of these fragrances, let me know which one is your favorite. I didn't buy any, but I did think that they smelled really nice. I happened to notice that the smaller bottle body mists were going for $9.95, and some of the actual perfumes were going as high as $39.95. Definitely take a look, smell them, let me know which one you liked best, but pick out the one that works best for you. Seemed to be a big hit as a lot of the testers were empty or near empty, but I did find a men's cologne. This one is called Surf, and this one's going for $39.95. The only one I didn't get a chance to smell was this one right here. That's called Aura. Let's head back over to the clothes. Now, I did find this beautiful sweater. It kind of has a little bit more of a higher end look to it. This one is going for $69.95. And again, with the gold buttons, it really elevates it. It did have an embossed design on the button, which really made it look a little more elegant. So take a look at this sweatshirt. They definitely elevated it by adding all of these little rhinestones all over it. Now this is going for $69.95. Does have that loose fit design. Now as you can tell, they do have a lot of accessories. They have a lot of sunglasses, they have socks. The socks are super cute as well. They do have a lot of little embellishments like bows and roses, embroidery, which really just makes them look really nice. And they have a lot of cute little designs. So I'll pull this one out so you can see these are going for $12.95. And they also carry a lot of hair accessories as well as jewelry. Definitely let me know in the comments below if this is the first time that you've walked through American Eagle. Again, I focused on the women's clothing, but I had a fun time. There was so much to look at, so I'm definitely going to go back and see what else I can find. Just as a reminder, if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do so that you don't miss any videos. And I do post a lot of shorts, so you don't want to miss those either. Anyway, you guys, thank you again so much for watching. An absolute wonderful night, and I will see you in the next one.